What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Dollar Mike back at again with another video. You guys can already tell by the title what we're talking about today, so let's not waste any time. Let's talk about Robinhood. Before we jump in, if you've never seen my channel before, I make videos talking all about personal finance. That means budgeting, credit cards, investing, saving, anything really relating to money. I have you covered right here on the channel. So make sure you hit that like button if you want to see more content like this, and that subscribe button if you want to be locked in every time I drop a brand new video. Now, Robinhood. Overall today, I just plan on sharing my thoughts and ideas about the Robinhood stock. So we're going to talk about that right now. But before we do all that, I want to give you guys a little bit of history of what exactly is going on and what is Robinhood if you do not know. If you do already know, then you can go ahead and skip ahead, and I'll likely just add some timestamps to make it even easier for you to go ahead and do that. Now, Robinhood's entire mission from inception was to go out and actually democratize finance for all. Referring to their mission statement, Robinhood believes that everyone should have access to the financial markets, so we've built Robinhood from the ground up to make investing friendly, approachable, and understandable for newcomers and experts alike. And generally speaking, over the years, they've done just that, with over 18 million accounts now and counting. Who knows how many more Robinhood accounts are going to be added by the end of this year. But of course, Robinhood has had its fair share of issues as well, minor and major alike. But the most recent events would involve the GameStop stock as well as AMC stock as a part of the meme stock rush of 2021, or at least that's what I'm calling it. At that given time, Robinhood had completely cut off buying particular meme stocks like AMC, like GameStop, like Nokia, like BlackBerry from reaching higher highs and completely killing momentum when it comes to buying those particular stocks from Wall Street Bets, Reddit, Twitter. I mean, at this point, it was all over the world. It didn't matter who you were or whatever you knew before, but everybody knew about the AMC, GameStop debacle in some sense of the name as far as Robinhood being involved with everything. And it did not leave a positive outlook upon Robinhood going forward, but they also did gain a lot of publicity from that. Regardless of the matter, time has passed now, and Robinhood is left with definitely a negative outlook, in my personal opinion, on anybody that was really involved in it. And even people that weren't involved in it, you still might have a negative outlook when it comes to using a platform like Robinhood, because if they can do it one time, I guess they could do it again. You don't know. We don't know what the future has to hold for us with Robinhood, or just what the future has to hold for us in general. Yet here we are today where Robinhood, or rather Robinhood Markets, is being publicly traded on the stock market as I speak. Robinhood Markets, or ticker symbol HOOD or HOOD, is now publicly traded on the stock market. It's actually been on the stock market for about a week now, and last week it IPO'd at about $38 a share. On the IPO day, the stock price of the stock actually dropped about 10% before rebounding slowly. Of course, all of Reddit and Wall Street Bets rejoiced, but overall, I was personally thinking, how long could this actually last? Can people actually keep selling the Robinhood stock, or are people going to start shorting the Robinhood stock long term? We really have to just wait and see. It's really only been on the stock market for about a week now. But also, over the past 2 days, Robinhood stock has actually spiked. As of recording this video, Robinhood stock is actually sitting at about $67 a share. Overall, it's up about 50% today, and it's down a little bit, about 4% in after hours. If we go back and look at the weekly view, it's actually up 76%, basically over the past 2.5 days. I actually ended up picking up a very small position on Robinhood just to test out their Robinhood IPO access feature, so I ended up grabbing 3 shares at IPO price, which is $38. Now, personally, as a long-term investment, I think Robinhood stock will do pretty well, no matter the opinion of myself or others may actually have on the stock or the company as a whole. And really, I don't have an issue with the app. It's more of the leadership of the company. But overall, since they're publicly traded on the stock market now, anything they do or say will obviously impact the stock in some way. So we'll see how things play out going forward in the future. Negative or positive, Robinhood stock price will still be impacted, and they still have to do other things like offer more benefits to customers to either grab more customers or even keep the customers they have today. And it's tons of benefits that we can go over, and I wrote them all down, so I actually want to go over a couple of them right now. So as far as more things they can add to make the platform even better, I have a nice list right here. So let's start with the first one on the list, and the first one is superior customer support. Robinhood's customer support has always been 100% lacking. At one point, you could only email them if you had any type of issue, and who knows how long it would take to actually get a response. I personally never ran into this issue myself or had to actually contact Robinhood support for anything that I may need, but obviously that's completely different for everybody out there that's actually using the platform. Either way, I can kind of understand why this might be an extremely hard challenge for Robinhood, considering they have 18 million users, and they're still growing every single day. So we'll see how this actually plays out. But overall, they've recently added phone support, and hopefully they can get even better support than that. The next thing that I have on the list that they also said they were actually doing, they just haven't actually released it yet, and is highly requested, is crypto wallets. So if you guys don't know, you can buy and sell cryptocurrency on Robinhood. So you can go buy and sell Bitcoin, you can go buy and sell Ethereum, Dogecoin, all that kind of stuff, but you cannot remove that crypto from that particular Robinhood portfolio unless you actually went ahead and sold that crypto. crypto. You simply can't move that crypto from one crypto wallet to another crypto wallet. So if I wanted to transfer my Dogecoin from Robinhood to maybe like Gemini or BlockFi or something like that, I simply couldn't do it because Robinhood doesn't offer a crypto wallet. So that's another feature that they've already announced that they are working on and should already be done. And honestly, I think the main reason why they haven't released that feature yet is because they probably want to release it after they go ahead and IPO to even make the stock price of Robinhood go up even more. Overall, if you release it before then people already have what they want and they can just go and take whatever they want. But after, it just looks better on their part. So I can understand them waiting till after IPO to release something like that, especially since it's a highly requested feature. On top of that, Robinhood can actually add more cryptocurrencies. So Robinhood only offers, I think, under 10 different cryptocurrencies for you to go and buy and sell on the platform. If you compare that Coinbase or Crypto.com offers over 100 different cryptocurrencies for you to go and invest in. So if Robinhood offered over 100 different cryptocurrencies for you to invest in, I'm pretty sure a lot of people would use Robinhood as far as their cryptocurrency investing portfolio goes, especially if they have a crypto wallet. It would just make a lot of sense for Robinhood. They would make more money from it. And that's kind of that. They would also be directly competing with Coinbase, which, if you guys don't know, is basically Robinhood for crypto. So if you can go ahead and take down Coinbase by adding more cryptos and actually allowing people to earn interest on their crypto as well, then I think that's a pretty solid bet. And I'm pretty sure the stock price of Robinhood will be reflected in a positive way. Past that, we also have IRAs, so basically retirement accounts. Robinhood needs to offer retirement accounts. If they want to have people get on Robinhood and have a finance for all platform, then you need a retirement account, especially since you have individual accounts already. It only makes sense for Robinhood to add Roth IRAs, 401ks, HSAs. If they could do something like that, it only makes sense for an all-in-one finance platform. Past that, they could add more all-in-one banking features. We already know Robinhood has their own debit card, so maybe they could add more debit card updates or even a credit card like the new M1 Finance credit card, where you actually spend money on the credit card and earn cash back that goes towards your investments. They could do something like that as well. Past that, they could also add more stock information. If you guys look at Robinhood and you go look at Fidelity or you go look at Vanguard and Fidelity offer way more information than Robinhood would ever offer on their app that basically offers basic information, which is okay for the beginner investor, but for somebody that's not a beginner, that's perfectly fine as well. It would just be better for all investors as we would get more information on the stocks that we might want to invest in. And like I said before, other platforms already do this and Robinhood simply doesn't. Past that, they could also add more investing tools like a dividend tracker, because a lot of people actually have their full-blown dividend portfolios on Robinhood. Robinhood is a solid place to start a dividend portfolio. I also recommend M1 Finance for that as well. But either way, I have my Robinhood dividend portfolio as well as my growth portfolio all as one Robinhood account. So it'd be nice if they had a dividend tracker on there as well. And the list really goes on. It depends on what type of features you may want as an investor on the Robinhood platform, but they offer enough right now and they have plenty to offer in the future. All in all, I really just wanted to have a discussion about Robinhood and the Robinhood stock down in the comment section below. So definitely drop your comments down below on how you feel about Robinhood stock. Is it a long-term investment? Is it a short-term investment? Is it a 100% meme stock? Is it too much risk, I think I should say, for you to get in? Do you want to get in right now when it's sitting at $67 a share or whatever? I personally wouldn't recommend you do that. It's way too much risk involved. But either way, are you willing to wait it out 5 years and see how Robinhood actually plays out? Are you going to be buying shares of Robinhood? Have you already bought shares of Robinhood and sold them and made some solid gains already? Because listen, right now I'm up 75%. So yeah, I mean, I only have 3 shares, but I've seen people that bought an IPO price that don't have 3 shares. They have 20, they have 100, they have 1,000 shares of Robinhood, whatever. Either way, it's just a long-term investment for you. Is this something you're actually worried about? Do you even care? Let me know down in the comment section below. And also let me know in my free Discord community. If you guys want to go and sign up for my Discord community, it's 100% free. Check it out. We talk about everything personal finance in there. We discussed the whole Robinhood thing earlier as well. So definitely get in there. We can all talk, share our thoughts, our opinions about everything. Doesn't have to be about Robinhood. Doesn't have to be about stocks at all. It could be about anything relating to money pretty much, or even just anything in general, because we talk about everything in there. It's great. Great. So get down there. It's free. Check out the link. 100% free. Either way, that's pretty much all I got for this video. So definitely just let me know what your thoughts are. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you drop a like on the video if you actually did enjoy the video. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more content like this and be locked in every time I upload it. Check out those links down below, because those links down below will get your free stocks. You'll get your free stocks with Robinhood if you want to use Robinhood. 2 free stocks with Webull, a free stock with Doe, a free stock with Public. You'll also get a free $50 with M1 Finance. If you're interested in more of the crypto side of things, I have crypto links down there to get you some free cryptocurrency. On top of that, I have other links down there to get you even things like free money back and gas. So if you're interested in any of that, make sure you sign up. Check out those links down below. They're there for you if you want to use them. You don't have to. It's up to you completely. It's up to you. Thank you very much for watching this video as always. Take care of yourselves. If you're interested in supporting the channel even further as well, check out my Patreon. Past that, I'm out. Thank you very much for watching. Dollar Mike. Peace.